Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the refrigerator door stop, be sure to unplug the power cord. Remove the hinge cover. Then use a 5/16" socket or nut driver to unthread the 3 screws, securing the hinge to the cabinet. With the screws unthreaded, you can lift the hinge straight up to remove. Have an assistant help you to lift the door straight up off the bottom hinge. Set the door on a towel or blanket. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 3 mounting screws to release the old door stop. Install the new door stop by aligning it on the door, then thread and tighten the 3 mounting screws. Before you reinstall the door, confirm that the washer is intact on the hinge pin. Then realign the door on the pin. Replace the top hinge, then thread and tighten the screws to secure. Replace the hinge cover. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.